This fish fossil, dating back to the Cretaceous period, is embedded with mysterious spherical particles in its gills. What are these strange objects? After careful analysis, scientists discovered that the elemental composition of these particles does not match any known earthly materials. They are likely fragments of the asteroid itself, tiny alien bullets that proved more deadly than nuclear radiation. When the asteroid struck Earth, it ejected massive amounts of debris into space. Some of these fragments, traveling at incredible speeds, escaped Earth's gravity and landed on the moon. However, most were pulled back by gravity, raining down on land and water. Fish inhaled these particles through their gills, leading to their immediate death. This direct link between the fish fossils and the asteroid impact provides compelling evidence of the catastrophic events that unfolded that day. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's reconstruct how the disaster might have unfolded. Imagine an asteroid the size of Mount Everest slamming into Earth. The explosion from the impact was equivalent to 1 billion atomic bombs, hurling over 3 trillion tons of debris into space. The shockwave traveled at nearly 1,000 kilometers per hour, triggering a colossal tsunami with waves over a kilometer high. At Tanis, located 3,000 kilometers from the impact site, life initially seemed undisturbed. The animals there were unaware of the impending doom. However, the disaster was rapidly approaching. While the shockwave itself did not reach Tanis, the seismic waves did, and their destructive power was devastating. If I had been there, the force would have been strong enough to shove my hips into my abdomen, as one scientist vividly described it. The violent tremors caused rivers to churn, sending a 10-meter-high wall of water surging upstream. This was a death sentence for many animals, though some larger dinosaurs might have survived the initial flood. But the catastrophe was far from over. Next came the rain of molten debris. As the ejected particles re-entered the atmosphere, friction heated them to extreme temperatures. They fell like fiery rain, igniting wildfires and scorching the landscape. In less than 2 hours, most dinosaurs were dead. The sky was choked with smoke, blocking sunlight for up to a decade. Plants died off, leading to widespread famine. Even the dinosaurs that survived the initial chaos eventually starved to death. The entire ecosystem collapsed like a house of cards, culminating in the extinction of the dinosaurs. It's worth noting that without this catastrophic event, humans might never have emerged. However, while we owe our existence to this ancient disaster, our own actions today are causing a similar wave of extinction. Human activity has driven countless species to the brink, and our destructive power rivals that of the asteroid. As a member of humanity, I feel a deep sense of responsibility. We possess extraordinary intelligence, and it is our duty to use this gift to protect the countless species that share our planet. After all, Earth is our only home, and it's up to us to safeguard its future.